Is your heat pump not working like it should? Well, troubleshooting can be frustrating and costly without the right guidance. So let's go through a couple things you can do at home. Hi there, I'm Zach Dickey, Heat Pump Product Manager at Carrier. The first thing you could do is check your thermostat. Is the heat pump set on cooling mode if you want to cool your house, or heating mode if you want to heat your home? Make sure your thermostat is on the right setting. Some thermostats even have an auto setting, like the new Carrier Smart Thermostat. If it's on auto and not meeting your comfort levels, you might try changing the setting to cooling or heating only to achieve the level you desire. If your thermostat temperature matches your desired target temperature and you're still not comfortable, the next thing you'll want to do is check your air filter. The air filter is typically located near or around your indoor air handler unit. If the filter is dirty or clogged, you can cause the system to run longer and less effectively. It should be cleaned or replaced. This is something you can easily do yourself. If it's not a thermostat or air filter issue, your heat pump may need a tune-up. Having your heat pump serviced regularly by a professional qualified HVAC technician can provide higher efficiency operation and more reliable comfort. One service typically offered during routine maintenance is cleaning of both your indoor and outdoor coils. If the coils are extremely dirty, you may have trouble keeping up with demand. During routine maintenance, your service technician might also notice deeper issues such as a frozen coil, a malfunctioning reversing valve, low refrigerant levels, or a compressor problem. Your professional Carrier service technician is trained in diagnosing all aspects of the Carrier system. And by reaching out to your local Carrier expert, you'll have peace of mind knowing your heat pump is in good hands and your home will be comfortable again soon.